Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 10th of November. And first of all, national news. Apply for IIT Kanpur's e-Masters program in Power Sector Regulation Economics Management by November 12. Corrupt people destroying country. They get away with help of money. Supreme Court. Delhi police arrested 11 for call center fraud cheating 1700 people of over 1 crore. IIT Gandhinagar got Eat Right Campus Award with 5-star FSI rating. IGNOU in partnership with the ICCR CHD to offer online Hindi awareness course for foreign nationals. Sudha Murthy prayed for son-in-law Rishi Sunak at Maharashtra temple. Nirav Modi a step closer to extradition losses appeal in UK court. Delhi High Court refused to put upcoming civic body elections on hold. Bihar Board began BSEB Class 12 Intermediate registrations for 2024 exams. Due to organize 3-day international conference starting today, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar to inaugurate. NEET PG next year could be the last to be replaced with national exit test for MBBS students. Effective use of RTI will build corruption-free India, Lok Sabha Speaker. Private educational institutions welcome Supreme Court verdict on EWS reservation. PM Modi congratulated D.Y. Chandrachud on becoming 50th Chief Justice of India. Education not business to earn profit. Supreme Court quashed Andhra Pradesh move to hike MBBS fees. Karnataka government withdrew order directing principals to bring PU students to Prime Minister's event. Now international news. Vladimir Putin's elite tremble as hardliners call for Stalinist steps. China's security agency bought $65 million luxury villa in Hong Kong. UK PM Rishi Sunak under pressure as minister quit amid bullying raw. Plan to rebuild world's biggest plane destroyed by Russia in Ukraine. Give peace a chance. WHO chief on Ethiopia's latest ceasefire deal. US-China rivalry. North Korea nuclear tests to dominate Asian summit. US awaited verdict on Biden in key poll as Trump preps for comeback bid. At COP27, island nations seek climate compensation fund from India, China. Climate policy impossible without peace, Ukraine's Zelensky. Mark Zuckerberg sorry for 11,000 layoffs. That's 13% of Meta's team. And now, sports news. T20 World Cup 2022. Pakistan made final after 7-wicket win over New Zealand. India to host Women's World Boxing Championship next year. BFI. Savita Punia to lead Indian team in FIH Women's Nations Cup in Spain. World Cup 2022, Real Madrid's Luka Modric in Croatia squad for fourth finals. Wheelchair Rugby League World Cup, Australia beats Spain to reach semi-finals. Now news related to business. Sensex ended 2-day winning run amid weak global markets. SEBI proposed framework to navigate risk linked with cloud-based solutions. India set to become third largest economy by 2027, Morgan Stanley. Rupee notches up gains against dollar amid US midterm polls. Finance Ministry finalized framework to issue green bonds, a report said. Air India leased fleet of Airbus planes from China Development Bank Aviation. Godrej Properties Q2 net profit up 54% to Rs 55 crore. Cochin Shipyard Limited bags international order worth Rs 1,000 crore. Now news from science and technology. NASA moon rocket launch delayed again due to tropical weather. Higher exposure to air pollution linked to heart attack risk, a study said. ISRO to conduct first runway landing experiment of reusable launch vehicle, chairman. India made drug shown to treat heart damage caused by COVID protein, study said. Now let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. The temperature of 10th of November in New Delhi will reach to 28 degrees Celsius at daytime and will drop to 17 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.